Welcome to GC Reddy Technologies. Software used for selenium testing. Selenium testing. What is selenium testing? Testing using selenium tool. Automated testing using selenium is called selenium testing. Okay, next. Selenium is not an all-inclusive test tool like commercial tools like UFT, RFT, Silk test, test complete, etc. For example, take UFT, formerly QTP, same functional test tool like Selenium is an all-inclusive test tool. If you install UFT VB script engine for programming, VB script engine built in with UFT, MSA Access engine built in with UFT for supporting SQL commands, spreadsheet built in. Next, so many other features are built in. Example, object repository, checkpoints, output values, recovery scenarios, etc. UFT, formerly QTP, is an all-inclusive test tool. RFT, all-inclusive test tool. Test complete, Silk test, etc. But our Selenium is not an all-inclusive test tool. It is open source software, not inclusive test tool, not all-inclusive test tool. It requires some third-party plugins and frameworks in order to broaden the scope of testing. Okay, Selenium WebDriver is there. It can locate the elements and perform actions on the elements. But other activities in testing, other software support required. For example, programming language required for functional automated testing. Programming language. Our Selenium supports 6 programming languages: Java, Python, C#, Ruby, JavaScript, and Kotlin. You can use any one of those languages for writing Selenium test cases. Here, for example, Java. What is the role of programming in Selenium test environment? We use programming syntax for writing our test cases. We use programming concepts like data types, operators, flow control, etc. for enhancing our test cases. Suppose if you want to handle data in our test cases, for that we need to use programming data types and variables. Suppose if you want to repeat execution, you want to repeat some statements, for that loop statements required, programming looping. Suppose if you want to create reusable functions for your test cases, for that for example Java methods required, methods. Next, if you want to handle runtime errors in your test cases, programming exception handling code required. Okay, programming language for enhancing test cases. Next, editor. Say Selenium WebDriver doesn't have IDE. No user interface for our Selenium WebDriver. It is an API, application programming interface. We need to write code for every task in Selenium WebDriver. So we require editor for writing and executing test cases. If you select Java, then best IDE is Eclipse IDE for writing and executing Selenium test cases. See, Eclipse IDE in our Selenium environment provides editor for writing test cases. Next, syntax guidance, context help. Next, auto compilation, and important one, integration of software. We can integrate Selenium with other software like Java, TestNG, Maven, etc. in Eclipse IDE. Next, testing framework. Okay, testing framework, unit test framework. We use unit test framework in our Selenium test environment as test runner. Anyhow, testing framework selection depends on programming platform. If you select Java for Selenium, then supported frameworks are JUnit or TestNG. If you select Python, PyUnit or PyTest. If you select C#, then NUnit. Okay, we selected Java. Next, TestNG framework. Suppose we select, if we select TestNG, NG stands for next generation. What is the role of testing framework in Selenium environment? We use testing framework as test runner in our Selenium test environment. When it comes to in detail, using testing framework, we can we can create test batches, prioritize test cases, execute test batches, and generate test reports. See, Selenium WebDriver doesn't have built-in result report facility. If you insert TestNG assert methods for verification points, then TestNG can provide test results. See, once again, using testing framework, we can create test batches, prioritize test cases, execute test cases, and generate detailed test reports. Okay, next, build automation tool, Maven. See, generally Maven for Java projects, build automation tool. What is the usage of Maven in our testing, Selenium testing? See, Maven, it is used for configuring Selenium test environment setup. See, without Maven also we can set up the test environment. If you use Maven, it can automatically download and configure Selenium software and supported software. Say here Maven for Selenium test environment setup and Selenium test environment maintenance. Okay. If any new version of software is there, then if you provide a new version software dependency code, XML code, then Maven can download new version of the software and update your Selenium test environment. Next, CI tool, continuous integration tool. Example, Jenkins. It is for continuous, it is for integrating development process with testing process, integrating software development with software testing. Next, extent reports. Say it is a result reporting framework. Using extent reports, we can enhance test results. See, we can create or generate interactive and detailed test reports. We can not download, we can capture screenshots for failed steps also. Say, using testing framework, we can generate test results. Using extent reports plugin, we can enhance test results. See, this is about Selenium testing. Based on our programming platform selection, these remaining software may vary. Anyhow, we need to configure all components for Selenium testing. Thank you.